learn how to add sounds to our projects. And do you know what sounds can make our projects? Fun! And much more fun. There are so many options to add sounds, so let's see how we do those in our video today. So let's get started making our sounds. First, let us create a new project. You will have the Scratch Cat showing up as default sprite. Now, if you notice, we have a tab here that says Sounds. This is where we can add different sounds for our project. You can see there's already a meow sound available by default for a cat. Of course, the cat says meow. To play it, just click the play button. We can add a new sound by clicking on the plus button down below, and you can see 4 different options. First one is search for a sound from the sounds library. The second one is record option, to record your own sound that you can do. The third option is the surprise option, to give you any random sound from the library. And finally, the fourth option is to upload your own song, like a dance music. Okay, let us look at the first option today in detail. Adding a sound from the sound library. First, click on the search option and it will open a screen with the complete library of sounds. You have different ways to select here. You can search for a sound. For example, I want a guitar sound. So I can type guitar and the sound of the guitar will list below. It will show any sounds matching the guitar. See? Look at all those sounds. Sounds are also arranged by different categories up here. So another way to select a sound is directly click on a group we are interested in. Let's check out the sports sounds. Click on sports and we can listen to all the sports related sounds. You can always go back to the full list by clicking on all here. One more thing to notice is you can actually go over the small play button here to listen before you select. This sounds good. Let's just get this. So the sound we selected will show up in the Sounds tab here. Let's use the sound in our code. Go to the code section and drag when green flag click block to start our program. Then you want to play the sound. So go to the sound blocks section and you drag the block play sound until done block. You click on the drop down. You will see all the sounds available for this project that we added in the sounds. You can select any sound. Let's try it out. How about we do the meow? And let's click the green flag. Our cat says meow. Okay, there we go. Tell the cat I said meow, meow. Awesome, friends! In this tutorial, I showed what are different options available to add sounds to a project and details on how we can add a sound using the search option and how we can use the sound in code. I'll show you other options to add sounds in the next video. Until then, keep coding, my coder friends!